Hello everyone. So in this video we will be discussing about Python numbers. So there are three numeric types in Python: int, float, and the complex. But we'll be focusing on int and float only. Complex is just about if you we are dealing in somewhat in scientific numbers and then in engineering calculations. That would be the complex numbers. Complex is a combination of 3 plus with j always, no? Where j is the square root of -1. So we will not go for this data type since it is not really uh, useful in your in this course. So int and float. So again, to get the type of your data or the value, use the type, you know, in this case uh, the value of x is 1, the value of y is 2.8, and the value of z is ij. So that prints the value int, float, and the complex. So int is the whole number, positive or negative, without decimals of unlimited length. So bisan pag pila na siya millions na. Okay. So in other programming language, we have in C, or you need to use long if it is more than about 36,000, something like that. So in Python, it's unlimited. Then float for floating point numbers, positive or negative, containing one or more decimal places. Then pag 2.20.0, any 1.0, that will be considered as float already. Okay. Float can also be scientific numbers with an e to indicate the power of 10. So let's say for example this one, no? E to the power of 10. No? So, dira siya. Float 12e. Type conversion. So you can convert from int to float by using this one, using the syntax. Int to float. So kaning int lugar, convert na to float. X equals 1. X, y equals x equals 2. X print type x. Okay. So without this, bilhin kasi convert. The type of that x is int since it is declared as 1, no? So if you want to convert into float, just put this one. The x is valued here, the, the value, and the value of this one will be saved into the x. So it will be overwritten. Here the type is integer and the value is 1. Abot niya din sa line 2, the value is still 1 but the type of data is converted into float. Then the result will be float. Kina-overwrite na siya, no? Kaya pagbasa sa program, top to bottom man. Top, left to right, and bottom. Padlong sa bottom. Then you can convert also float to int, reverse, or into complex. No? But remember, you cannot convert complex numbers into another number type. Okay? So random numbers. Again, moving forward, random numbers. Python does not have a random function to make a random number. But Python has a built-in module called random that can be used to make random numbers. So kung gusto ka o maghatag og number mo ra siya o mag-dice ba dice random muna siya trabaho ng random ang ihatag niya range 1 to 10 any number from that 4 2 7 pwede siya magbalik po 7 na po no? So random yung paghatag. This is the way of getting a random numbers in Python. Okay, so that's end of our discussion about Python